Hello class 2 students, how are you? I know all of you are very fine. So I welcome to you our online class and today is the turn for our English subject. Are you enjoying or not? Okay, you are enjoying and you are staying out at home, you don't have any problem, so you keep on your studies. Okay, it's the golden time so that you are getting much time to practice. Okay, so today is the turn for our English subject and it's the turn for our exercise solution of chapter number 8, that is the selfish giant. What we have learned in the last class, we have explained the chapter number 8 about the selfish giant. So what we have learned, just I make you to remember all those things, that there was a selfish giant who looks very ugly and it has a fat nose and it has a large body and it has red eyes. By seeing this selfish giant, the children the children get scared, and this selfish giant asked the students to leave the garden. From that day, no children came to that garden to play. But what happens? Look, this is the giant and these are the children. When he refuses the children not to come to the garden, the children with fear they run away. But when spring season comes, everywhere everybody can see green color, but in the garden of the giant feels very cold and he became ill because he was very selfish. But when one of the children gets into the garden through the hole of the wall of the garden becomes completely green, and the flowers bloomed, and the birds started making sound, and the snow started to become liquid. So the giant from that time the giant was able to understand that because of his nature of selfishness, he was ill, and when he saw that because of that boy, it becomes the garden becomes greenery, and the giant able to know that he become able to know that if he will leave his selfish nature, then everything will become good. And you know that who was that boy? That boy was Jesus Christ. So because the giant so what happens, from that day all the children came into the garden to play, and but when they saw the giant, they started to run away. But one boy remains, because one boy remains in the garden. So, and he started crying, but the giant what does? The giant took him to the tree, and the tree become green color, and that boy was Jesus Christ. And he says to the giant that just as he shows love and kindness to the boy, so he will help the giant to go to the heaven. So this is all about the story, and today is the turn for the exercise solution. So let's turn the page. So look students, this is the question corner section. So as usual, you have to choose the right answer. So choose the correct answer, which is true. Children always used to play in the giant's beautiful garden. Children played in the garden only before the giant found out about it. The giant played with the children the first time they entered his garden. Which will be the answer? Children played in the garden only before the giant found out about it. So this is the right answer. Okay. The giant had red eyes and a fat nose, or red eyes and small ears, or blue eyes and a fat nose. The right answer is A. Red eyes and a fat nose. The order of seasons in the giant's garden is summer, winter, spring, or summer, winter, winter, or spring, summer, winter. The answer is summer, winter, and spring. Which season did the children bring to the giant's garden? It's winter or spring or summer. It's spring. Then the little boy who couldn't run away was the giant's son or Jesus Christ or an orphan. It's Jesus Christ. So question corners A1 is over. Now come to the A2 section. See students. Write two sentences on the giant. One sentence will be about the giant when he was selfish and one about the kind giant. You can look in the strip for hints. So in this green strip some words have been given and using these words you have to write down two sentences about the giant when he was selfish and when he was a kind giant. So before means when he was selfish. So what you have to write down? You just write down the giant was ugly. This is you students. The giant was ugly and angry. This is first sentence and the second sentence is the giant had red eyes and a fat nose. Got it? This is a two sentence when giant was selfish. And when giant was kind, you have to write down the giant shows kindness to the little boy by gently taking him to the tree. At the end, the giant becomes happy. The first, when the giant was selfish, it was the giant was ugly and angry. The giant had red eyes and a fat nose. And when the giant becomes kind, it was the sentences are first sentence is the giant shows kindness to the little boy by gently taking him to the tree. The second sentence is at the end the giant becomes happy. Okay students? Okay, so let's turn the page.